Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really practical skill, how to share your Canva designs using a simple link. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give someone access to your Canva creation, whether you want them to just view it or actually collaborate and make edits. This is super handy for sharing with teammates, clients, or friends. Let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Canva website. If you're already logged in, awesome. If not, just sign in like you normally would. This is home base for all your designs, and it's where we'll kick things off. Next, you're going to click on the Create button. You'll usually find this near the top right corner of your dashboard. Think of this button as your ticket to starting something new. With just a click, you open up a world of creative possibilities. Now, for this example, let's create a custom-sized design. In the Custom Size section, type in 100 by 50 pixels. This might seem pretty small, but it's perfect if you just want to make a tiny graphic or test sharing with someone before committing to a big project. Once you've input those numbers, hit the button to create your new design. After your new blank canvas pops up, let's select a template to make our sample a bit more interesting. On the left, you'll see a range of template options for different styles and purposes. Go ahead and pick one that catches your eye. Even if it's simple, it'll do the trick for this demo. Applying a template just helps speed things up and gives us something visual to work with. With your template in place, you're ready to share. Look for the Share button, which is usually up in the top right area of the Canva editor. Click that and you'll see a few options pop up. In the search bar that appears, type in the email address of the person you want to give access to. This could be a colleague, a client, or even just your own secondary email if you're testing how sharing works. Here, where you get to control exactly what they can do. Canva lets you choose whether you want this person to be able to edit the design or if you'd rather they just be able to view it. If you're collaborating with someone, select Can Edit. But if you just want to get feedback or show off your work without any changes, Can View is the safer option. Take a moment here, it's a good spot to pause and really think about what level of access is appropriate. Once you've picked the right setting, go ahead and confirm or adjust any other sharing permissions if needed. Don't worry if you're unsure, you can always come back and change these later. Now, the final and most crucial step, copy the sharing link. Canva provides a quick and easy option for this, usually right under your sharing settings. Just hit copy link and you're good to go. You can now paste that link into an email, a team chat, or wherever you need to share your design, and that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've made your Canva design accessible to the exact people you want. Remember, you can always update who has access or switch the permissions later, so don't stress if you want to tweak things down the line. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into issues, just leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more easy practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.